Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is FARHA IZZATI binti ABDULLAH SANI. Phone number matric 1191766. Alright, so this is my part. No, before that. So this is our group topic Muslim scholar in Malaysia. This we use big C skill. So this is my part. Step 1 definition. So that this is fairly common topic that discuss facts such as historical biodata, contribution to society, economy and country. So that research this topic research can find relevant information such as book, journal, the internet and others. So that Malaysian most recent Muslim scholar, this is we are specific topic we discuss. So that topic highlightly special and draw our attention in terms of factor and resources that might help us in our search for information on the subject. So that what identify information need, we are required information such as detail regarding Muslim scholar in Malaysia about fact. For example, their historical biodata, information and contribution.
My name is ADIBAH NAJIHAH binti Muhammad NADZRI. My matric number 1191769. Next, step 2, information seeking strategies. This is a step to find the source, type or validity of a reading material. We look for all kinds of reference material that are related to the title of Muslim scholar in Malaysia. Next, second, sources consists of material or document studied through the reading of written material, information that has been recorded. These include magazine, journal, encyclopedia, newspaper, and many more. Third, there are two types of information sources, reference and non-reference. The term reference materials refer to a collection of sources that provide a basic understanding or a quick fact about a given topic. These sources are used to get a specific explanation or to give a new sources to explore. Fourth, our research focuses on a Muslim scholars in Malaysia, so the research is more specific to Malaysia country only. We use a lot of reference from the secondary sources because the sources is more authentic and factual.
My name is NURUL Nazua binti GHANI 1191767. Step 3 is location and access. Searching. We use Google search engine to complete this project and obtain material on the topic of Muslim scholar in Malaysia. To begin, we open the Google search engine by clicking on the Google symbol, then type in term Muslim scholar in Malaysia, which are written a large number of search results. Therefore, our group has subdivided this topic into smaller sections to make it easier to obtain information and concentrate on a specific subtopic. Moreover, we use the Google Scholar search engine to find more in-depth information on this topic. Many articles and journals have been published by local and international universities. We also use Google search for biographies of Muslim scholars in PDF. In addition, we also use on a university library such as USIM Library, Duke Library, GUG Library and Georgetown Library. The next step is skimming. After the searching process, we are ready to check out a couple of sites we found after skimming through them. Everyone in the group gathers some articles to review as a group. After that, we talk about it and suggest that everyone must read the first few sections to get a general concept. We also decide to bookmark at the website and save it on our laptop. We choose a website that clearly describes what information is given. We were able to discover relevant statement and paragraph after going through this method. This process of searching and skimming continues until we identify several distinct sites that represent our topic.
I am NURUL binti ABDUL 1191770. Use of information. After we choose and read the source and store it in the drive so that we could save in our computer that is in Google Drive. For printable sources, we printed the page needed to be more helpful in selecting the most relevant and readable information in our topic. After that, we tried to compare with which paper fit in the characteristic of a good source: solid, clear, and concise information. Write and highlight the important notes on other paper to organize ideas so that we can clearly see our information being used, and also record all web address, title authors, number of page, and citation location. When the above information is recorded, it makes it easy for us to do.
For synthesis, Muslim scholars uh, Muslim scholars in Malaysia country may be uh, assignment topic given to our group. This study aims to spot the previous studies data Muslim scholar uh, in Malaysia. The term reference materials refers to a group of sources that offer a basic understanding or fast facts, a couple of fast facts, a couple of given topic. There are various reference sources on the difficulty of Muslim scholars in Malaysia on the internet. We have a tendency to additionally use Google to look for biographies of Malaysian Muslim scholars in PDF and found 23,700 results. That may be a sizable amount, however still manageable to skim through. In the evaluation phase, students are asked to evaluate their results and processes with reference to the result of the study. Teachers play a very important role in assigning tasks, and uh, uh, then students review the tasks they have performed. The information ability of students at this stage is very high. It is an important skill that 21st century students must have, as it involves searching, receiving, processing, and transmitting. Based on the findings, we can conclude that the information literacy of students in this group was tested using the BITNI skills model and the information literacy skills. Teachers and librarians identify information needs, assess information, evaluate information, and maximize school literacy activities through the cooperation of teachers and librarians, teachers and students and librarians. Therefore, all the elements work together to achieve the goal of improving information literacy.